Hey, what's up? We're here at round 7 of the Lucas Oil AMA Motocross Championship Series. And this week on Speed Trap, we're going to be clocking the guys as they come down the step down over here. As you can see, it's really muddy. So it's going to be really difficult to gain a lot of speed. So most likely be seeing a lot of slipping and sliding. Today we'll be hearing from Valley Motorsports' Nick Wey, Red Bull KTM's Andrew Short, and JGR Justin Brayton.
Yo, Trans World Mafia. I'm Nick Wey. We're at Millville. I'm doing the Speed Trap, reigning Millville Speed Trap champ. I'm so excited I can't even talk. Woo! But we're not doing the whoops today, thank goodness, because I'm not that good this time. We're gonna do this sketchy downhill after you double up the hill, like horseshoe left, step down, and it's pretty rough and kind of a fast section. It's tough to push it. I mean, I think I was kind of not that good there in practice, and I almost crashed twice, so we'll see what I can do.
I'm Andrew Short, doing Speed Trap. Coming down the hill, it's pretty rutted, rough, sloppy, and there's a big drop off afterwards, so it's a pretty gnarly section. Maybe I got my granny gear on and hit the brakes. I'm not sure where I clocked in, but check it out, Speed Trap.
What's up, guys? Justin Brayton. We're here at Millville. Sounds like we're doing the Speed Trap today off the little drop off. It's going to be interesting. I guess you can hold it the longest into the turn. Usually gets pretty rough right there, so should be interesting. I guess I'm going up against Wey and Short, so looking forward to it.
Third place.
Well, I got third place in the Speed Trap, but I crashed in the first turn and I lost all vision in this right eye. So that's what happened.
Alright, so you got second, 30 miles per hour. Brayton came out on top, Wey was nice.
Yeah, what'd he go?
Brayton?
Yeah.
31.
31? And I went what?
30.
Oh. Ready?
Yep.
Hey, Speed Trap. I finished second. A little disappointed, but overall, I wasn't a total girl. I don't know who else I was competing against, but a little scary going down the hills. It got rough, but good day. Track was bitching, considering how much rain we got, and the downhill was rough and epic, like always at Millville. Thanks for checking it out.
Alright, so first place with a 31 miles per hour. So.
Yeah, 31 mile an hour, first place. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with the first place. It's crazy that you can actually go 31 mile an hour down that. That's pretty wild. So, yeah, it's cool.